Hey guys, this is Tyrone from Attack Consulting. I just wanted to show you today a quick little video while I have this computer open and I'm working on it. Just the internal components of a computer, if you haven't seen one before, and the things that we replace when we work on a computer, when we're fixing it, and if you ever ask us to replace a part or if we need to replace a part for you. So quick little video here for you. So what you're seeing right now is the internals of a small form factor computer. There are different types of computers. This is a small form factor, which means it is very thin. Let me give you a little view of it. See, it's a very thin machine. It can be on its side, sometimes tipped up the other way. But as you can see, it's very thin. As you can see, the internals, very thin. Not much space to work in there. I don't really like these computers. It's hard for me because I have big hands to kind of fit inside and do work in here. The great thing about this one though, this is the power supply. The great thing about this, look at this. I can lift this up. It lifts right up. Underneath you have the hard drive. So that's where all the Windows is stored. Your files are stored. You can access things like the RAM. It's hard to see there, but those sticks, let's see if this will stand up. Yes, it will. So these right here, these little sticks, this is your memory, or RAM, as it is referred to sometimes. Right here, these 4 little sticks, and they come out, or you can put more in to get more memory. Let's just put this back down. This actually helps to get access to things. So put it down there on top. And this is the CD-ROM drive, which you can see right here. You can just open this up. So this is the CD-ROM drive right there. The battery, of course, right there. It's a little tiny thing. That's what keeps the time going on your computer. And then this is where you can put cards, like a Wi-Fi card, sound card, things like that, and they would slot in right there. Little black slots, that white long slot there. So you can see it would be on the back right there. And of course you got your USB ports. The port for your monitor is that blue one. The USB is of course your power right there. The power supply. Oops. So there you go. That's just a little quick video of what the internals of a computer look like if you've never seen them before. And that's what we do to fix computers. We can take them out, put them back in. As I said, I don't like working on small form factors because I have big hands, as you can see. So getting inside is difficult, but this one, it's great. As I showed you, you can lift this up. Not all of them do that. So it's a little bit tricky. But anyway, that's a quick little video of what the inside of a computer looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.